Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologize for being quiet lately. I've been busy with some other stuff, so I haven't been having enough time to come and make the videos. But it doesn't mean that I am not paying attention to the questions that you ask in the videos. So today's video is just one of those videos where I'm going to try and answer some of the comments that you have left on previous videos. I'm not planning to be here for a very long time. I need to be somewhere else, but I'm going to try and answer, I think, three popular questions. They seem to be popular because I've seen them getting answered a lot on the channel, on the videos. So I'm going to try and tackle them in a quick video. So, the first question will then be I think several people have been asking me why don't you test the robots? Why we haven't seen you testing the robots even on demo and things like that. Then the other question that I've seen that has been popular also on the videos is concerning indicators. Should we trust them? Do we use them? And stuff like that. Then I think also what has been raised on the channel also has been about forex robots. Should you buy them? Should you stay away from them? So I'm going to tackle these questions in this quick video. I'm not planning to make it a very long videos because you guys also don't enjoy watching very long videos, so I'll get into it. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like the video, that's how you motivate me to continue sharing these videos with you for free without charging you anything. You don't buy anything from me. I don't sell you anything. Everything that you get from me on this channel is for free, including any courses, robots, indicators, books and stuff like that that you can download using the links in the description box below. You can download there. Everything is for free here. The broker that I use, their link is also in the description box below. I've been with them for more than 5 years now. I have not had any problems with them regarding deposit and withdrawals. So one of their best offers is you can open a real life trading account with just $5. So you can use that small account to test your robots. The robots that we're creating here, if that robot has potential to turn $5 into $10, then you're definitely onto something. Then you can see if you can add more capital to that robot and see what it can do for you. Okay, so let's get into our first question. This has been asked a lot on the channel, that I always show you guys the videos how to do the robots, and I've never shown you if the robots are profitable. I think that that was the question that has been asked a lot. Why am I showing you this, how to make these robots, but I've not shown you if the robots are profitable? So I think the guys that have been asking that question probably have misunderstood me, the purpose of this channel, as well as have not watched the previous videos when it started as well. The goal of this channel is to show you, to give you an idea, to give you probably the direction, to just point you into the direction that you probably need to take if you are going to turn your strategy, not my strategy, not their profitable strategy, not the holy grail strategy, into a forex robot. So if you are expecting that the robots that we are making on this channel are all the profitable robots and stuff like that, you probably are on the wrong channel, maybe. Let me put it that way. The goal of this channel is to show you how easy it is to turn your own strategy, whether you are using a strategy based on moving average crosses, on Bollinger Bands, on whatever system that you are using. The goal on this channel is for me to just show you how you can turn that strategy into a forex robot that hopefully can make you some money. So that's one of the reasons that I never test the robots. I just show you how to take a strategy and how you can turn it into a forex robot. You probably have a profitable strategy already, or you probably have somebody who's shown you one, or you have something that's working for you. The goal of this channel is simply to just show you how you can probably turn that into a robot. So that's why part of the reason that I don't go ahead and test these things, because I have already shown you how you can take that strategy and turn it into a robot. The testing part, I'll then leave it up to you, and the tweaking part, because there's a whole lot of things that you are going to need to do. Of course, you need to test the heck out of that robot to make sure that it's working according to your strategy, not my strategy. Okay, so I hope that answers that question, why I don't test the robots. I'm simply showing you guys how to take your strategy, how you can potentially turn it into a forex robot that can trade for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whatever, and hopefully you can make some money from it. The goal is not for me to find you robots that are profitable. That's not my purpose. That's not the purpose of this channel. I'm just here to try and show you how to turn your strategy into a forex robot. Done. The second question is regarding to indicators, robots based on indicators. Should we even be trusting indicators and stuff like that? Yes, I understand the argument with indicators. Many people say they don't work. Some people say they do work. Some people, there's a whole lot of arguments about indicators. But we should not forget that indicators are based on some good formulas. If you really look at many indicators, at least the good ones, you'll find that they have got some good formulas and mathematical formulas behind them, which do makes them potentially a good basis for trading robots, trading strategies, trading or whatever. So, yes, you can use indicators with your trading robots. I leave it up to you to find the best indicators, because that will be another task that will take you a lifetime. But if you have an indicator that is giving you money with your manual trading, then potentially you can turn it into a robot, because the robots, basically what you want to do with your robots is be as mechanical as possible. If this happens, do this. You want to tell this robot, if this appears on the chart, do this. If this happens on the chart, do that. You cannot have robots like looking for a sentiment or feeling or stuff like that. Your robot does not feel, your robot does not have sentiment, but your robot is searching for conditions. Algorithms are looking for a series of rules, a series of instructions. If this happens, do this. So you can mostly certainly easily do that with indicators. If we reach this Fibonacci level, do this. If this moving averages, do this, do that. If we cross this Bollinger Band line, do that. If MACD does this, do that. Those are simple instructions that you can give to a robot. So I hope that answers the question regarding robots and indicators. It makes it easy to program the robots based on indicators, because robots, you want them to follow instructions and you want to be as mechanical as possible. Okay, the last question I think is a popular question. Many people are always asking this question: should you buy robots? Should you buy robots? Should you trade with robots? Should you stay away from robots? Should you even use robots? Should you even think about robots? Now, here's my honest opinion. Here's my honest opinion, especially regarding buying robots. That's why this channel also exists, so that I am showing you how you can do the robots yourself without buying anything, without getting sold anything. How you can turn your winning strategy, if you have one, and turn it into a robot. Now, the truth about most robot sellers. Let's start with the truth about most robots. The truth about most robots that you need to accept, that you need to understand, is they are also just products that are being sold out there, especially the robots that are being sold everywhere. They are just like muffins, they are just like coffee. People really don't care what you do after with the muffin or the coffee. That's the truth. Here's the deal. You find that it's most profitable. Okay, I apologize. I got interrupted there. That's why I said I wanted to make this a very quick and short video. Okay, so I was saying the truth about most forex robots that are being sold out there is that they are just products. You need to understand that, because you find that it's actually most profitable for a person to be selling robots instead of trading their own money. That's the truth about forex robots, especially the ones that you just see everywhere, being sold everywhere. Most of the time, you find that if a person, let's say they are selling their robot, let's say at $100, 100 US dollars, for argument's sake, if a person is selling their robot for $100 US, they need to just convince 10 people to buy that robot, and technically they have $1,000 cash in their pocket. Unlike if they were going to try and take their $100 and turn it into $1,000 whilst trading themselves, they'll probably not reach that goal. I'm not saying that all robots are bad. No, there are some really good robots out there, but most of the good robots, you will not find them on the marketplace. Why? Because if it's really so good, why would you want to sell that secret? There are a couple of things that might happen. If you sell that robot, which makes millions, uh, I'm just saying millions for argument's sake. Let's say you have that robot that makes you millions, and you sell it to everybody else for $1,000. Very soon, everyone is going to be making like crazy millions, which is not, in a way, good for the market. If the whole market is now making millions with that robot, the other thing that might also happen is that the brokers are also going to buy that robot. They are going to get hold of that robot, and what are they going to do? They are also going to try and find ways of countering that robot. You get what I'm saying? Why some of the best robots, you can never find them on the market, because they are so proprietary, and if they are so good, why would somebody want to give up a secret that's making them millions? So most of the robots that you find on the market is just people making money, because it's easier to actually making money selling forex products, forex courses, forex signals, forex indicators, forex robots, and stuff like that, without doing the actual trading, which is riskier. If you're going to be doing the trading by yourself, it's actually riskier. So most people opt to what? To create robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. I'm not saying they are all bad, but you just have to do your homework. Now, should you buy robots with that idea in mind? It's up to you. It's definitely up to you. Like I said, the purpose of this channel is to show you how you can turn your own strategy into a robot by yourself without giving anybody money, without buying from anybody, uh, without spending money really, unless you just want to maybe subscribe to FXDREEMA for MT5 and for more tools and stuff like that. But other than that, you can actually really turn your strategy. If it's mechanical, you can easily turn it into a forex robot by yourself without paying anybody, without buying anything from anybody. Regarding the buying of robots, the use of any of robots, well, I'll then leave that opinion to yourself. We are all adults, and you probably will decide what works for you and what does not work for you. But in any case, I'm hoping that I've answered some of the questions that I saw on the channel lately. Okay, we'll continue with working the robots in the next video. Subscribe, like the video. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them. Until next time, guys, bye.